This is the brand new Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, launched on August 21st, and I bought it myself. So I wanted to share my first look with you. It comes with a 6.83-inch OLED display, Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, a big battery with decent fast charging, and a triple camera setup. It's also water and dust resistant, which is rare at this price. Let's dive in and check out all its features in this review. Opening the box, the first things you'll find are the SIM ejector tool, the quick start guide, and a black protective case, which is a nice addition. Underneath that, you get the phone itself. Let's set it aside for now. Redmi also includes a 90-watt fast charger and a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's good to see the charger still in the box. Now, let's check out the phone itself. This phone measures just 7.9 millimeters thick and weighs 220 grams, which is pretty impressive considering it packs such a massive battery. On the right side, you'll find the volume keys and the power button. At the bottom, there's the SIM tray, which supports 2 nano SIM cards only, no microSD expansion. You also get the USB-C port, a microphone, and a loudspeaker. On the top, there's a second speaker and another microphone. But this time Redmi has removed the infrared blaster, which many of their older models still had. The phone comes with IP68 and IP69K certification, so it's fully dustproof and resistant to water, even under high pressure. Overall, it feels slim, durable, and premium in hand, not bulky like some phones with this size of battery. The Note 15 Pro Plus has a 7000 mAh battery inside a slim 7.9mm body. It supports 90-watt fast charging, reaching full charge in about 1 hour, and 22.5-watt reverse charging for other devices. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus features a 6.83-inch OLED display. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and even 3840Hz PWM dimming to help reduce eye strain in low light. The real highlight here is brightness. With a peak of 3200 nits, this is one of the brightest panels in its class, making it easy to use even under direct sunlight. Resolution is 1220 by 2772 with about 443 pixels per inch, so visuals are sharp, colorful, and smooth. On top, it's protected by Xiaomi's Dragon Crystal glass, which is stronger than standard Gorilla Glass, giving extra durability. For audio, you've got stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. Inside, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset with the Adreno 810 GPU. On AnTuTu, it scores around 850,000 points. To give you some perspective, I have two other phones here for comparison. One is running the MediaTek Dimensity 8200, which scores about 875,000, and the other uses the Dimensity 9200 Plus, which reaches close to 2 million points. So you can see the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 is definitely not as strong as those MediaTek chipsets, but it's still decent for this price range. The phone ships with Android 15 and HyperOS 2 right out of the box. Storage starts at a minimum of 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, going up to 1 TB with 16 GB RAM. However, Redmi is still using UFS 2.2 storage, which isn't as fast as UFS 3.1 or 4.0. In real use for multitasking, social apps, and casual gaming, the chipset performs smoothly. But if you're looking for heavy gaming power, there are clearly stronger options out there. For selfies, you get a 32 megapixel front camera that can shoot up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus has a triple rear camera setup, a 50 megapixel main lens with OIS, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5 times zoom, and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and comes with both OIS and gyro EIS stabilization. On paper, this is a strong camera system for the Note series, and I'll be testing photo and video quality. So here are some samples. I'm recording this video from the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. This is the result you get from 32 megapixel, but it only offers 1080p, 30 fps and 60 fps. It does not offer 4K. So I'm walking slowly. You can see the stabilization, not bad. The colors, and let me show you the running result. This is the result you get from the front camera. Now check it out from the back camera. You get the 50 megapixel main camera, and this is 4K recording at 30 fps. This is 1x. This is not ultra wide. When I switch ultra wide, it switched to 1080p, not 4K. So this is 4K now, 1x. I'm far away from that building, and this is 1x, and I'm zooming in. It can zoom till 6x, and this is 1x. Okay, I'll show you the stabilization. I'm walking slowly. And I'm running right now, and it seems very stable. Alright.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation.
Compared to the previous model, the display brightness and camera performance are noticeable upgrades, while storage still uses UFS 2.2 instead of faster UFS 3.1 or 4.0, and the IR blaster is gone, which some fans might miss. It's slim, durable and practical, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants strong specs without paying flagship prices. That's it for this review. If you found it helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.